You know a tree that size is going to do some damage when it hits the ground. So that's going to be expected. We'll try to keep that to a minimum. You also want to remove things that's going to be in its way. It could be a hazard to the feller when he's working. So this little horn beam's got to come out. Set your choke to high idle. Test your brakes and not at full throttle. See how it stalled the sole? Now we'll take down these small trees, then I'll make a cut, I'll make my notch, and I'll explain to you what I did. Between 5 and 10 degree lean. Now you asked about getting those cuts to line up. I got a little deep here on this side because I started at the back instead of the front. Because it's a lot harder to push a saw with the top. You see how that stood up almost vertical. Now see, I've let the pressure all off of it. I can cut it off now from the top, and this piece will just fall straight.